Are you suffering from back pain or neck pain and don't know whether to use heat or ice to relieve the pain? It's a very common question, and this video will explain the difference. Ice is used the first 3 days after an injury to bring down inflammation to the area. You can do this 3 times a day for 20 minutes. After 3 days, you can start using heat. Heat is used to increase circulation, relax tight muscles, and to relieve muscle spasms. You can do this 3 times a day for 20 minutes. If you're suffering from back pain or neck pain, it's important to seek medical attention. At our clinic, we help you to get rid of back pain naturally. The doctor is here to help you get well and can answer your questions. Please call us right now at the number on the screen.